King got the hammer in the king 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 got the hammer king 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 got the hammer in the ring king 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 got the hammer king I ain't got the chain dicks put it in my punches to pop pop pop.
Hey sexy Lexy babes, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys some sanitation tips for beginners when making any type of lip products and things of that nature. So of course you want to always start by washing your hands. Make sure you wash your hands and sing the alphabet so you are washing for a long enough time, and make sure you are using some antibacterial soap. Next, you want to go ahead and lock in that moisture by adding some lotion to your hands so that you don't have dry, cracked hands while you are making any products under your gloves. So now that your hands are washed and moisturized, you can go ahead and apply your gloves. I got these on Amazon, and I can link them in the description for you guys so that you can get these exact same pairs. And I always get a size large just because if you get a small or a medium, sometimes they're tight and uncomfortable. So aim for a large because it's better for them to be a little bit loose than super tight. Next, you want to make sure you are wearing a face mask. You do not want to be talking, or you don't want to be in the mood while you're playing your music, singing the songs, and you are accidentally like getting some spit inside of the products, which is absolutely gross. You don't want to do that. So always wear a mask. Of course, I'm going to rock my Sexy Lexy ink mask. Next, you want to always try to have your hair pulled back or in a ponytail or just completely out of your face because you don't want to make the mistake of having any loose strands of hair falling into your product. So 9 times out of 10, this is where I am normally making my products, and I always like to lay down fresh paper towels before creating a product just because I want to have a nice clean area. And I like using paper towels because when I'm done, it makes the cleanup 10 times easier versus having to keep disinfecting the surface when you can just lay down some fresh paper towels. As you can see here, things can get messy. I just recorded a YouTube video. If you haven't watched my last video, make sure you pause this video, go watch that one, and then come right back to this video. But I'm going to go ahead and remove everything off of from my area that I was using when I was making the lip scrub. I'm going to remove all of that, and then I'm going to wipe down anything that I use with a disinfectant wipe, and then I'm going to lay down some fresh paper towels. Sometimes I move things from one part of my business room to the other and I place it on this counter. So I'm going to go ahead and use a disinfectant wipe and clean this surface off. I always like to make sure that my entire business room is clean before I leave and get back to my day-to-day things. So I'm just putting everything back where it was, making sure everything looks nice. And then that is pretty much it. So it's very simple. And those are just some simple beginner tips for when you are making a product, some nice ways to keep a nice clean area.
King got the hammer in the king got the hammer king got the hammer in the ring.